A rare opportunity to own a piece of Maine history with a functional home, hobby-ready workshop, landscaped grounds, and just 30 minutes from Portland. Built in 1800, this charming North Gorham residence blends classic character with practical modern features, offering a lifestyle that combines authenticity, convenience, and versatility. oversized garage/workspace is a hobbyist's dream. Equipped with 220-volt outlets, a large bay door, a coal forge, and substantial second-floor storage, it is ready to accommodate everything from woodworking and metalwork to home business ventures. Its functionality ensures both convenience and inspiration for any project you pursue. The landscaped grounds extend the home's appeal, with flowering perennials and a larger-than-typical lot, allowing for 2 driveway entrances, multiple outdoor living areas, or expansion possibilities. Nature, privacy, and outdoor enjoyment are all at your fingertips, while still being conveniently close to local lakes and recreational spots. This property embodies the essence of Maine living: heritage, functionality, and connection to the outdoors. Whether you are seeking a home with character, a space for hobbies and crafts, or a family-friendly retreat with plenty of room to explore, this North Gorham gem offers it all. Don't miss the chance to continue the legacy of this historic Maine home, where comfort, creativity, and natural beauty converge. Deadline for offers is Tuesday, 3/23/26 at noon. Schedule your private showing today to experience this unique property in person.